see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the box logo that we got dropping for this week. I feel like there's a couple more items that did release from the drop list, or at this point I don't even know if the full drop list is out, but I am gonna go ahead and check out those items for you guys, let you know my opinions on them, whether I feel like they're gonna have resell or not. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new. We're so close to 18,000 subscribers, so please make sure you go ahead and go down there and show some love. Once we get to 20K, I'm gonna do a big ass giveaway, so go ahead and support. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So obviously we know that the Milan store is going to be opening this week, and the signups for these box logos was actually this morning, which honestly I'm a little bit late with the video. As you can see on the right hand side, it pretty much explains how this is the Last Supper box logo, which I think is pretty sick. And apparently this artwork has been used on previous Supreme decks and stickers, which I guess that's pretty cool that they brought it back for this one. It makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the full picture right here. It's pretty much the Last Supper with the Supreme box logo in front of it. That's sick in my opinion. I feel like this one is a little bit more thought out. Normally when there's like store opening tees, they tend to care a little bit more, like the Brooklyn box logo. I guess it's a little bit different. This one is fire. It has the AD. I'm not gonna lie, I do not know what year that is. I'm pretty sure it says 2021. End of the day, this box logo is gonna go for a good amount of money. I feel like it's different than other ones we've seen. Much like the San Francisco box logo, the Brooklyn box logo, this is only gonna come in one colorway. So if you don't like this white one right here, there's pretty much nothing else you can go for. I do think that it's simple, it's clean, it makes sense why it's on a white one, and normally they all are. This one is fire. That Last Supper on the front with the ADMMXXI on the back. But I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be for this week. Resale on these is probably gonna be like $400, something around that price point. It all depends on how many per size they release. Gonna be hype, trust me bro, this is fire. I'm honestly gonna go for this piece. This one is just clean to have. I want to see what these will do in the future as well. Normally with these store openings, they're a little bit more limited than actual box logos because they don't have all these different colorways. So 400, maybe down the line 500 is my prediction, unless they just release 20,000 of this same white shirt. But expect these to sell out super fast. Now that we're off the box logo, we're gonna go ahead and talk about two collaborations that are gonna be happening this week. One being the Nike collab, where we're gonna see a pair of sneakers, and we're also gonna see some socks. I'll talk about those in detail in a second. We also do have the Jamie Reed collaboration, which I'm assuming is the fuck all collaboration. One sweater literally says that on the front, but we'll talk about that in a second as well. I do feel like this week does have some fire items besides the box logo. A lot of people aren't feeling the Air Max 96s, and I kind of agree. I feel like they could have used like a translucent but not fully clear piece right there, kind of like the Element sneaker that Nike did. I feel like that was pretty sick, and it would have been nice on this sneaker, but that fully clear is a little bit too much in my opinion. Let's go ahead and start at the top of the list with the Nike lightweight crew socks. Personally, this is an item that I would want to go for. I do need some new socks, and hey, Nike socks would definitely do it for me. I'd probably end up going for the black colorway, knowing myself. I just feel like when it comes to socks for me, it's either black, grays, and that's it. I don't really branch out with the sock game, which I do need to start doing, but this sock piece right here is kind of fire. Next, we're going to talk about the Cini and Nils Cubulosi table lamp. I don't know what that means, to be honest, but it is basically a cube, like a jack-in-a-box type situation that just says Supreme around it, and it happens to be a lamp. I do think this is okay. I feel like you can't just get one of these though. It just looks weird as one piece. I don't know. I kind of have to see like in-hand pictures of this in order to even see if I'd like it. And knowing the prices that Supreme be having with these pieces too, it's probably going to be super expensive. I'm going to go ahead and check. It's the Cini and Nils. One of these standard with nothing on it is literally $420. No way. Supreme is going to charge like $600 for this piece. So if y'all thinking y'all about to get that, I apologize. We do have these Air Max 96s. I do believe that there's 3 different colorways, which I'm gonna try to get up here for you guys. You got like this silver bullet inspired colorway, which I do feel like it would have been hard had it had the misted clear piece on it. I'm telling you bro, like that off-white 5 muslin material right here would have been fire. This one would bust in the black colorway. I'm trying to tell you bro, if it had the little clear piece but it's like not fully see-through, I know you know what I'm talking about. If I could get my hands on them for a review, I definitely would. I'm not pressed for it, to be honest. I feel like resale on these Air Max 96s isn't fully gonna be there. I don't know why. Something in my gut is just telling me that they might sell out, but they're not gonna go like $30, $40, $50 over retail. But nowadays, you just never know. Like I said before, if there's not that much quantity, you should be good. But otherwise, it's a dub, to be honest. We do have the Jamie Reed Fuck All sweater, which does come in 2 different colorways. This one right here, this one is pretty fire. I'm not gonna leave it up there too long. You know Susan be tripping. That one does come in that peach colorway, which I do feel like is a beautiful color. It's almost like this knitted sweater, but a lot of people don't like these graphics on their pieces, which I kind of understand. You feel me? You're not trying to be too loud in these streets. It does look clean, I'm not gonna lie. He did his thing with the chenille material, and those colors are just perfect for that piece. Let's go ahead and close that. So as you guys may probably know, Addict.io actually just released their 2.0 version of the bot like a couple weeks ago, and there's a bunch of new features and upgrades that actually make it more sustainable and ready to cop these box logos this upcoming week. I honestly would recommend you guys to check them out, but I am going to talk about a couple features that do stand out to me the most. One of them being hybrid mode, which I do feel like is sick because that's one of the main reasons that a lot of people have been cooking up as of recently. You basically get to go into the tab, which is the slot, and if you have to change anything up, you can also do it on there. A lot of people have been actually seeing success as far as it goes. If you do buy Addict.io, it's a one-time fee. You get to keep it for life, so any updates that come in the future as well are included in that one-time payment. You can use my promo code Astro for 10% off as well. It will be down here. There's actually rumors that there might be a restock before this box logo release. There's not going to be that many copies, but if you guys are interested, make sure you go ahead and sign up for their newsletter on their website, addict.io. Another one of those features is the restock monitor. As far as that goes, whatever item already released, normally there's orders that get canceled or just extra items that get loaded back into the website. This restock monitor feature still tries to go ahead and buy the item even hours after release. You might go ahead and see an email that you ended up cooking up. This is a plus for sure. Addict.io actually covers from 85 plus stores, from Kith, Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, Yeezy Supply, Adidas, and many more. They recently launched their Yeezy mode, which actually is more efficient as far as cooking up on Yeezys go and just shoe sites in general. They have a Discord where they let you know what different keywords to put for the Supreme drop. They also let you know certain resale estimations. They have a YouTube channel to show you exactly how to set up, and they have a bunch of success, bro. They also do post live cops, including some of their successes for the week. But if you are interested in checking out Addict.io, all you have to do is click the link in the description, use my promo code Astro for 10% off. But there might be a slight restock this week, so sign up for their newsletter as well so you're notified whenever that does happen. And hey, let's go ahead and get back into the rest of this video. You do have the It's All Box Varsity Jacket. This one is actually fire. I am a fan of this one. I just feel like retail is gonna be too high to even go for this. It does come with like these pins embroidered, I think it is, with like this cursive Supreme spell out. This peach colorway is beautiful in my opinion. I just love how the salmon works with the black. It's just perfect, and I really do love that one. And honestly, you can never go wrong with the black on white Varsity Jacket. All of these are fire. I'm just scared for that retail price. If this is like around 158, 168, I might debate getting that salmon colorway. I think it's actually a fire jacket, and it's something that's different than to what Supreme normally does, and I am a fan of that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But let's go ahead and get into the next piece, which is the Fuck All hoodie. This one does come in 3 different colorways. This like almost bright pink colorway. You also have this forest green and a black one. All 3 of these are fire. I'm telling y'all, the color choices that he had are insane. I love the forest green. It just gives me like the earthy vibe. The pink is fire, but it's a little bit too loud in my opinion, so I'd probably go with the forest green on this one. I don't have any green hoodies, and this is a fire one because you can't really see what it says unless you really look a little bit, because it's in like this cursive font. I think it's fire. The last piece that we do have is the Riley the last piece that we do have is the Jamie Reed Fuck All sweater. This one comes in 3 colorways as well. It almost reminds me of the Como de Garçon button-ups. This is fire though. I like that pink color a lot. I think that it's a soft tone. Your shirt is saying a lot, but it's like more toned down, so you might look past the words and just look at the color of the piece. I don't know, I just went off on a tangent. Personally, I feel like everything that's on here is a solid pickup. I'm not gonna lie, but I do feel like that Air Max 96 could have been better. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. That shit is kind of ass. If they would have changed the clear panels, it definitely would have done better. So that pretty much does it for everything that is gonna be dropping this week. This week we had like what, 3 collaborations so far. The full drop list isn't even out, but we do have a Nike collab with the Air Max 96s with the socks as well. That like $700 lamp, which they're tripping on. And then we got the Fuck Fuck All collection by Jamie Reed. We also do have the Supreme box logo releasing. There's a lot dropping, and honestly, make sure you don't sleep this week because I feel like there's a lot of heat dropping. Slight bars once again. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.